Hello everyone, I'm Padmaja from Gossipfunda. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, you will get to know where exactly your phone history is and how you can extract your contacts or you can search your number. With that, your app history and your net history. So be with me till the end of this video so that you will not miss anything. So let's begin then. Let us see a call history. Now go to your phone book or a phone diary. Now here when you open your phone book or phone diary, at top right corner three dots, there you can see a total call timing or messages. When you click on the messages, you can see all the hidden messages or all your the message were displayed over here, recent messages, and in a search box you can search a particular message whichever you want. Now here you can see it will also show you the total call timing, and even you can use a filter option to search your exact contact number. Now this is the nominal method we do usually follow it. Sometimes we lose some of the call histories or sometimes it has been get deleted. At such cases you can just contact our customer care number, whichever SIM card you are using or whichever company you are using. They will just provide you all your call histories in a Excel like sheet format. So this way you can also get your call history. Now let us see about your app history, how you can extract your app history and how you can see how much usage you have been doing per day. Now just go to the Play Store and search for an app history. So here you can see there are many app histories have been over here. Now here just search for an stay free app and just install it. Once it has been get installed, just open it and complete the further procedure like it will ask you permission, it will ask you set a pin. Now here you can see it's asking you a set a pin or your means like birth date or something, and just agree over it. Complete all the process, and once you complete all the process, now here you can see about all your usage data access. So it will ask you a permission for your data access usage and just allow it. Now once you allow it, now here you can see it will extract all your app history, means apps data, and it will show you. Now here you can see all category. Even you can search your history as per your date, whichever date you want to search. And you can see today's history. It has been showing how many hours or how many seconds I have been used it. Even an app usage breakdown over here. So that was all about your app history. Now let's see about your internet history, how you can extract. Now go to the settings. In settings you will find a data usage option. In data usage you can see over here how many data has been used. Even you get it sorted by, like if you are using mobile data usage, it will give you a separate data usage history, and if you are using Wi-Fi, it will give you Wi-Fi history. Now when you click a particular app, it will show how much data has been used in a particular hour or a particular day. So that was all about your data history or net history you has been using. So that's all. If you want more details, please check out our Gossipfunda blogs. The links are in the description box. If you have any queries, please feel free to ask in a comment box. If you like this video and find it useful, then press the like button and don't forget to share and subscribe the channel.